International Miss Rubdalato. A big round of applause to this beautiful lady here.
Kasamla rupda latu arpa arsnem karta na panaliar jawai kala syajit ban mi khamat yakari India hakajinga kop thai bhabriu belatip kum ka ora international kaban salong mentau snem ha Antalya Turkey. Haka khatlai terik ujamang kala kerpat ikipat pak kajela ban kershan bat aimen sim yaka bakan poi syakathong jing job. Ka Havens Cove Nature and Environment Protection Society rengkat kajinga donlang Wan Prang Gasa in charge librarian Jowai kum ukongsan u Dr. Everest Mersing kum usumbot kongsan nalor kiri rangba ki bahiyeng ngesem geni kesamla bat kinong syak khot ngobha kalapen kup buram ye geni kethai samla. Ya kajing penkup buram la penkamti do President ka Havens Cove Nature and Environment Protection Society ubak bari lalu bat kinong elam ka Kermen Foundation ru kila ai buram lang ya ka hakani kesngi. Ya kajing elang la penyat da ka kong simi kong tiang. Kumban penken mau kajing yok kani kesamla ban mi khamat ya kari India dei hadin bakala job akajing kop thai bhabriu rubaru Miss India Elite kabadang long dang shen. Barhakani kesngi penkup buram la don langru songgasim rungsung nong job ekarubaru Mr. India.
Say thank you for Heaven's Cove for having this program for me. A very beautiful and impressive program, I might say. So I would like to thank the chief guest and Sir Everest for being present here. And yeah, so I would like to share about my journey of how I've reached this far. So the organization that I got through was Rubaru Miss India Elite, and I undergo through several rounds of interviews. It was all online process. That's why, like most of you, did not see the process in my posts or in the news as well. So that's why everything was undergoing online, and I had to go through several of rounds, in which it was quite challenging for me because there they tested my character, my personality and my behavior, because even though they say it's a beauty pageant, it's not only the outside beauty, right? Because beauty doesn't come only from the outside. If you're smart, that's beautiful. If you're intelligent, that's beautiful. If you're kind, that's beautiful. So I believe that even though it's called a beauty pageant, it's not only meant for the outside beauty, it's meant for the inside beauty as well. So I was tested with all these challenges as well during the rounds of interviews. And then finally, I got a call that I was selected as the Rubaru Miss India Elite Aura International 2023, and that I will be representing my state, Meghalaya, and my country, India, in the national and international pageant. And this pageant that I will be attending now in September 17th till October 1st will be the biggest pageant held in Antalya, Turkey. So I would like to say that I'm really proud and happy for this biggest opportunity that I've received in my life. And I will really not forget, the first person I would like to thank is God, because without Him, I will not be here. And through my faith and belief in Him, I believe that I've made it this far. And for my parents and my family, they are my biggest supporter, I would say. Because I think after I completed my 12 studies, I went with my further studies in Dehradun, but it was a science, so I didn't have much interest in it. And then after that, I told my father that I would like to change again, and plus it was the lockdown during that time. I told that I would like to change in Bangalore. After I went through Bangalore, again it was something related to science again, but I didn't have much interest in it, honestly. That's why, so I was completely honest with my family members, each and every one of them. I told them that I have different goals in life, and every person is not meant to become a doctor or lawyer or engineer. I really believe in this, because we are all meant and brought up to this world with different talents, and we must showcase this talent in every different way that is possible. So I told them that I would like to pursue a different career. And then I started with my fitness journey. Then I started to help and train other people as well, and which was, I must say, it was a success. And then from there I fell in love with modeling, with fashion industry. Then I started to put more interest in the fashion and the pageantry world. And then I first competed in Femina Miss India. This was a different organization, but I completely failed out there, and I did not get through those different rounds of selection, and I was not selected at all. But that did not let my hope down. So I kept working on myself. I challenged myself to become a better person. And then I believed in God. That was the first thing that I must say, that I've kept my faith higher and my hope stronger. And then I believe that, then I found out about this Rubaru Miss India. And then I reached out to them, and then they helped me connected with the several interviews and all that. And so after the several rounds of interviews and selection phase, I must say that I was selected as the winner, and I will proudly be representing my country. And I hope that each and every one of you present here and even around my state, my town, that you all will support me. I'm not saying like financial support or any kind of support, but if you just tell me that you are proud of me, or if you just tell me one line of saying all the best for your journey, that would really melt my heart. And it will really push me to work on myself and become a better person and represent my country with pride and dignity. Thank you.